Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will share you two important interview experience for digital as well as prime role. Okay, so as you know, many of the candidates might be having interview today or tomorrow, and if you haven't got date and have been selected for interview, then you will get the mail soon. Okay, so first thing that I want to tell those who have interview, focus on your resume and whatever the things we have mentioned on you that. Okay, and first of all let me just give a brief update about the interview result, means किस लोकेशन का रिजल्ट है. सो करंटली कोलकाता कैंडिडेट्स आर गेटिंग द रिजल्ट. यू कैन से दिस इज द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ पार्ट ऑफ आवर मॉक इंटरव्यू एंड ही गॉट द रिजल्ट. सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू ऑल द कैंडिडेट्स हु गॉट द रिजल्ट. इफ यू हैवंट गॉट द रिजल्ट, नो नीड टू वरी, यू हैव टू पेशेंसली वेट. ओके, बिकॉज दे विल रिलीज द रिजल्ट इन डिफरेंट phases. So that's the thing I want to tell. Coming to the interview experience, so you can say this is the real interview experience of candidates who are posted in my group. So today I gave interview for digital role at TCS Chennai. First they done document verification, means whatever the document they are asking you have to go with that. If you don't have 10th or 12th marks in, then make sure to attest. Means if you don't have BE BTech marks sheet, then make sure to attest that document from your college. Means online copy का print निकाल के भाई attest करवा सकते हैं, that will work. Okay, and after that what will happen, panel number has been assigned to all. After that there was no any sequence, they have clearly mentioned. Okay, means कोई किसी को भी कहीं से भी इंटरव्यू देने को बुलाया जा सकता है. Now candidates clearly saying that as per my observation, everyone interview questions pattern by different. Okay, so that completely depend on your interviewer and your luck and others things. So what you can do, just focus on your the things which you have mention your resume and all those stuff, and rest just remain to the god, because there are something which you can't control by yourself. Okay, so one common thing they have clearly mentioned, that one common thing they are asking that to rate your skill. Suppose you have mentioned DSA or AIML, then they might ask you that how many rating will you give in C++, DSA or this one. So accordingly they will judge you, and he have clearly mentioned that. And for mine they ask Java oops question with pseudocode, and that's the thing I am telling in every video. Just oops is very very important, and most of the interviewer gonna ask, because oops play a critical role in the project making and project deployment. So that's why I'm saying oops concept must go through it with your, what can I say, with the detailed coding questions too. Okay, related to oops, like how to implement method overriding, inheritance. And those who are participating in a mock interview, I think they have clear cut idea that how to tackle all this. Okay, so if you want you can just fill our form. Now talking a little bit more about that, as panel are different, interviews are also different. In some cases they ask coding, SQL to other. Okay, means it completely depend on the interviewer and depend on the mood of them, but you should be flexible with all those things, whatever the things you have mentioned. Especially भाई आप लोग अच्छे से SQL करके जाइएगा. DBMS, DSA must you should go through it. You should be aware of a coding question and you should be ready for all those things. Okay, फिर से करो फ्रेंड, जस्ट गिव योर बेस्ट. एंड you can say these are the some experience from the previous candidates, means those who have on campus and other hiring. So they have also clearly mentioned that guys, मैंने डिजिटल का किया, तो आई एम saying just focus on SQL and oops. So oops and SQL play a critical role in your selection, so be prepared this very very well. For prime candidates, remember friends, you should work a little bit hard, because recently one of the candidates shared the experience to me. He said that level of the interview was so high, though in my resume AIML questions were not there, means AIML tech stack was not there, but still they ask about the AIML, ChatGPT, Gemini structure. So you should go with all the things. Again, it completely depend on the interviewer, I'm saying repetitively. So all the best to the candidates who have interview further. If you have any query, feel free to ask here. Those who don't got the interview means result, no need to worry, we have to wait patiently. Whenever new update will come, I will provide update to that. Currently Kolkata and some candidates from Hyderabad and Chennai region got. If you got the mail, must comment here so that other student will get clarity about the interview result. So best of luck to the candidates. कोई भी query again you can ask, we can connect on LinkedIn, or you can ask query at Insta, whatever platform you are comfortable. Hope informative to you. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask here. I am here to help you. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.